Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Have you ever wanted to take more control of your investments? Self-directed investing lets you do just that. It means you get to choose exactly where your money goes, whether it is stocks, bonds, or funds. Platforms like Chase You Invest make this process surprisingly straightforward, offering a great way to begin your journey into the financial markets directly from your existing bank. So why choose to manage your own investments? Well, for many, it comes down to a few key benefits. You can potentially save on fees, which can add up significantly over time. It's also an incredible learning experience, empowering you with financial knowledge. Plus, you have complete freedom to build a portfolio that truly reflects your personal financial objectives and ethical considerations. Ready to dive in? Getting started with Chase You Invest is designed to be very simple, especially if you're already a Chase customer. You'll just need some basic personal details and your social security number to set up your account. Their platform is really intuitive, which helps newcomers navigate the investing world without feeling overwhelmed, guiding you through each step of the process. When you're just starting, it's wise to consider some beginner-friendly options. ETF, or exchange-traded funds, are fantastic because they hold a basket of assets, giving you instant diversification with one purchase. Mutual funds are another great option, often professionally managed. The key here is diversification, spreading your money across different types of investments to help manage potential risks in your portfolio. To wrap things up, here are a few essential tips for your investing journey. First, begin with an amount that feels comfortable for you, even if it is a small sum. Consider dollar-cost averaging, investing a set amount regularly, which helps smooth out market volatility over time. Most importantly, always do your own research. Understanding your investments is key to long-term success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.